In this video, we're going to discuss the Vascade closure system. This is available for sheath sizes 5 to 7 French arterial and 6 to 12 French venous. When you open the package, you'll only get these two pieces. The system is actually pretty self-enclosed. You can see the entire system is on one unit. At the tip, we have a nitinol disc, and you can see the metal handle here. The black actuator opens the disc, and you can see that it's deployed when that green stays open. You can see the disc at the tip here. By collapsing the actuator, you collapse the disc. This is the key that you will use to deploy the collagen once the device is in place. You also get a small spring-loaded clip that you can use. When you're ready to deploy the device, you hold it like a pencil. You want to dip the tip in saline before you insert it into the sheath. For this system, you do not need to remove this sheath before you insert the system. So again, remember that you dip the tip in saline and then insert it using small strokes into the sheath. You insert it until the white marker is at the level of the sheath. When you're holding onto the black handle, the system is neutral. Using that, you pull the actuator to deploy the disc on the inside. Now at this stage, you're going to remove the sheath over the system. The disc on the inside provides a little backstop so that as you're pulling the sheath out, the system won't get pulled out. The sheath comes completely off of the system. Now at this point, you hold onto the metal handle and give a little bit of back tension. You should have hemostasis at this point. By gripping close to the skin level with your left hand, you can maintain hemostasis. Now at this time, you grab the key and slide it down, and then you grab the black tube and slide it up. Normally you don't have to press at the skin level, but on this model I have to support it. You'll see now the green tube is exposed. You're going to wait about 15 to 30 seconds to allow the collagen patch to swell at this time. Continue maintaining light tension on the handle to maintain hemostasis. You can apply the spring clip at the skin level while you're waiting. Alternatively, you can just continue holding manual tension yourself. After about 30 seconds, you're ready to strip the collagen off the device. So maintaining tension, you're going to grab the green tube and push forward about 1 centimeter, and that tamps down the collagen against the arteriotomy. At this point, you can collapse the disc by tapping on the actuator, and then pull out the device through the skin. The collagen will stay on the inside at the site of the arteriotomy or venotomy, and hold manual compression at the site to stop any track ooze and achieve full hemostasis. Now here we can see the collagen as it would be applied over the arteriotomy You can see that it is all extravascular because the disc was collapsed and pulled out with the system. The collagen plug is resorbed in about 30 days.